All right, here we go. This is from page 21. All right, vamos, vamos. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and record this. Let's go ahead and let's go ahead and check this one out. So it says, what type of angles are the following? Parallel lines. Do not solve for x. We're not solving for x. So here, basically, if I make a circle, right, then I make another circle, this 6x plus 1 will go where? It will go right here. Okay? It will go 6x plus 1. So in other words, they're across from each other. So that means they're alternate. But what are they initially? They're alternate what? Exterior, because they're on the outside. So that's going to be what letter? Letter D. Okay, so if you got it right, well, only 9 kids did it, but everybody else, please do the work with us. I'm giving you the answers. All right? So here we go. That's D. So if you got it right, put a little check. Now, if you didn't do the work and you're copying, just put D and put a little check, which allows me to say, okay, they did it. All right? Last week, Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. So the next one is 2. Okay? Again, you're going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a circle on both. Okay? And this 3x plus 7, which is in the corner, upper right, it's going to be right here. 3x plus 7. So what is it? Well, they're not alternate. They're side by side. So they are what? Adjacent. So the letter is B. Okay? Adjacent. Because they're looking side by side. So when you add them, they're going to equal 180. But we're not doing that. Okay? So put a little check that you got it right. All right? Or if you got it wrong, put the answer. Now we're going to go down to number 4. Okay? The same thing. Draw a circle to both of the parallel lines. Right? Just draw a circle. And the 3x plus 7, since it's in the bottom, it's going to go on the bottom. So they're actually going to go on top of each other, right? Like a tortilla, right? So then what's your answer? They're not alternate. They're not vertical right now. They're what? Corresponding angles. All right? So that's going to be A. Okay? It's like the corresponding. Yes, we're corresponding from ABC. So that person works for ABC. So they're the same. They're connected, correspond. I don't know if I'm gonna look for what when they say that correspondent. A correspondent, that means that they work for that company. So because they're on the same side, they're working for the same company. All right, correspondent. All right. Now let's go ahead and do number 6. Okay. So again, if you got it right, put a little check. If you got it wrong, just understand it. All right. So number 6, what do? Again, draw the circle. Oh, but wait, there's none right here, mister. They're just vertically. They're across right away. So they're what? It's called vertical lines. All right. It's not alternate interior because they're not both in the inside and they're not both on the outside. So they're vertical. They're already vertical. So that's called, that letter is E. Okay, so put a little check. There you go, E. So far, so good? All right. All right. Good job. Good job. Let me play some music. Okay. Hey, hey. All right. That's it. All right. Here. All right. All right. So the next one is number 3. Okay. So number 3, again, draw the circles. Okay. Draw the circle. So the 3x plus 7 is in the corner, right? So this is going to be also in the corner. Oh, so they're across from each other. Okay. Okay, so is it alternate interior or alternate exterior? Well, let's look. Oh, they're in the inside. So they're alternate what? Alternate what? Can I hear it? Yeah, alternate interior. Alternate interior. Woo! C. All right, alternate interior. And the last one, what do you think? What do you think? They're already side by side. Yeah, adjacent. Boom, there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this. Boom, rock them. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, guys. Come on. Hey, don't be a disgrace. Come on, that's a nice set. We will. Do number 7. Do number 7. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right, so for the most part, this what do? We draw 2 circles. But Mister, there's nothing in the bottom. So what do? Oh, am I recording? Yeah, I think so. So what? No, I'm not. Oh, now I am. Oh, yeah. So now, see how they're adjacent? It's 180. So then all you have to do, 4x minus 2, okay, plus 7x plus 6 equals 180. See that? So that's your setup. So if you got the setup right, put a little check. This is going to be on your quiz. So 4x plus 7x is 11x minus 2 plus 6. Well, I don't know. You could use your calculator if you want, minus 2 plus 6. But if you want to do the T-chart, the minus 2 plus 6, positive wins by 4 equals 180. See that? Now, where's my x? My x is on the left side, but I can't divide by 11 just yet. I got to take away 4, both sides. So that gives me 11x equals what? 11x equals 176. Now I could divide by 11. And what do I get? Does anybody get an answer? Anybody? Anybody? Anybody get an answer? 176. Oh shoot, I was calling. I was calling. I wanted to use my calculator and I was dialing 176. Oh man. Oh, what? 16? 16. Yeah. Yeah. So, so remember, it's x is 16, not 16 degrees. There's a big difference. That means when I plug it in, 4 times 16 minus 2, that's going to give me the degrees. Okay, so it's 16. All right, so far so good? All right, good job, guys. And just check it out, check it out. I'll go ahead and stop. I know some of you guys are still copying, so I'm going to stop the video. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. All right, we're ready. Ready? Here we go. Yahoo! Hey! Come on. So what do? We're gonna draw the circles. We're gonna draw the circles. We're gonna draw the circles and go see where they are. Yeah. Woo-hoo. All right. So here we go. So draw the circles. All right. So this 10x minus 30 is gonna be where if I plug it into the other circle, it's gonna be right here. 10x minus 30. Okay, so that means they're across from each other. All right, so they're alternate interior angles, right? Because they're in the inside. So that means they're going to be equal to each other. Okay, whenever they're across from each other, that means that's going to equal that. So if it's, but they're different. Yeah, now I have to solve for it. So now I have to put 10x minus 30 is equal to 8x plus 8. Now remember, I'm going to give you similar problems. You could use your notes if you want. Okay? So there you go, 10x minus 30. So remember, COVID. Every time someone, COVID, oh man, that's dumb. Okay? So it's because I'm talking too much. So I would rather get rid of the x's. All right? And I use the small one. All right? So 8x. I'm going to get rid of the 8x minus 8x. Okay, so that's 10x minus 8x is 2x minus 30 equals 8. All right, so again, your x is now on the left side. Okay, so now you got to take stuff out. You can't divide by 2. I got to get rid of the minus 30 by adding 30. See that? Add 30 to both sides. So then what do we get? We get 2x equals 38. Now you could divide. Okay, now it's the last thing you should be doing. Divide by what? By 2, because you want x by itself. Because that's 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 38 divided by 2 is 19. 19. So there's your answer. Woo-hoo! Here we go. Come on, guys. Got it? That's it. Easy. Copy, copy, copy. Vamos, vamos, vamos. El ritmo. All right, here we go. Vamos, vamos, vamos. Número 9. Vamos. Arriba el 9. El 9. 9, 9, 9. Hey, hey, hey. Here we go. Ready? I know you guys want to dance. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey. Vamos, vamos. All right, here we go. So, I'm tired. Okay, here we go. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so what do we do here? Okay, so we got they're across from each other, but remember, one is not on the other parallel line. They're actually on the same uh, plane right here. Okay, so what does that mean? They're vertical. So, but they're still equal to each other. All right. So, ooh, am I recording? So they're still equal to each other. Oh yeah, I am. So then you're gonna have to set it up. 5x plus 19 equals x plus 7. Okay, and there's a 1 next to the x. All right, it's not a 0, it's an invisible 1, so we put 1. And remember, I like putting the x's on one side, and I usually like to get the smaller one. Okay, otherwise, if you do minus 5x, then you're going to get a negative. And you could do that, so why don't we do that? Minus 5x minus 5x. And you see how you're going to get a negative right here. So 1x minus 5x is negative 4x plus 7. And then we're going to drop the 19. All right? We're going to drop the 19. So now here on the right side, now my x is on the right side. So now I got to get rid of some stuff and get rid of that 7 first to make it a 0. Let's get it out, right? And because it's a positive 7, I need to take away 7. So both sides, all right, both sides. That'll make it 0. And then I have negative 4x equals 19 take away 7 is 12. All right, now you could divide, right? On the right side, okay? On the right side by negative 4, and that's a 1. Negative 4 divided by negative 4. See how it becomes more little, like, negative. It's a 1. And then positive divided by negative is negative. 12 divided by 4 is 3, which is equal to x. And there's your answer. Negative 3 equals x. Negative 3. Yeah! Come on, guys. Got it? There you go. So there's your answer. Okay? Negative 3 is equal to x. So when you plug in negative 3 plus 7, that's going to be 4, right? And then 5 times negative 3 is negative 15 plus 19. That's also 4. So 4 degrees, 4 degrees. See, and they're the same. All right, that's a way to check it. All right, good job. Go ahead and copy for those 15 kids that didn't do it. All right. Woo-hoo. Okay, here we go. No more music. So now, what do we do again, guys? You circle them, right? Let's go ahead and circle the two parallel lines with the transversal. Go ahead and circle them. So you see how there's 1, 2, 3, 4. where would that 4x plus 4 go? It would go right here, 4x plus 4. See that? So they're across from each other, vertical, but you can't say they're vertical. Okay? They're what? Alternate what? Well, if I cover the inside, they're alternate exterior. Very good. So some of you guys wrote alternate exterior, and that was actually pretty cool. You guys just wrote it on your own, and I was like, all right, they got it. So now they're equal to each other. They're equal to each other because remember, when they're side by side, like over here, you add them and equal 180. But this one, they're equal to each other. So 3x plus 5 equals 4x plus 4. Okay? 3x plus 5 equals 4x plus 4. All right. So now what do I do? Okay, like I want the x's on one side. Don't do anything else. The other, it'll complicate things. So let's get the smaller one, and I'll do minus 3x. All right, that's 0, so that's 5 equals 4x minus 3x is 1x plus 4. Oh, that's going to be easy. It's 1x. It's already my answer. So then we go ahead and take away the 4, both sides. So that means x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. What does that mean, mister? Well, look. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 4, 5? It's 8. All right, so that'll equal 8 degrees. What's 4 times 1 is 4 plus 4? Oh, that's 8 degrees. So see how they're equal to each other? And that's all it means. All right? So that's it for that one. And music. Go ahead and copy for those that didn't do the work. Come on. Hey! All right, let's try a different song. Oh, little jazz. We're going to go ahead and do number 11. Number 11. Stand up. Here we go. Stand up. Just like that. All right, so what do I do? Again, draw the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember, they have to be in the same format. All right, you can't go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. You create them differently. It has to be the same format, numbering system, right? Whatever you want to call it. All right. So then this 3 will go right here with this 3, right? So it's going to be right here, 2x minus 4. So now look, they're next to each other. See that? So here, I'm going to add them together because they're going to equal what? 180. Equal 180. See that? So now let's go ahead and combine. 2x plus 1x is 3x. All right. The negative 4, this is a tricky one. Negative 4 and the negative 9 is not positive because you're not multiplying, you're adding. So you do the t-chart. Okay. Negative 4 and the negative 29. Okay. They're all on the negative side, so my answer better be negative. But how many negatives? Well, you add them, right? Because they're on the same team. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So 33. See that? And then equals 180. And then what do I do? Yeah, my x is on this side, so let's do some work over here. I got minus 3, so I'm going to put plus 33. Plus 33. Got that? That's a 0. So 3x equals, well, why is that a 0? Well, look, if you do the t-chart, negative 33 plus 33, who won? No one won, so it's 0. No one, 0, okay? That's why it's a 0, because nobody won. All right, and then 180 plus 33, that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 213. And when now I divide by 3, and I get what? X is equal to 71. Not 71 degrees, 71, because when you plug it in, That's when you get the degrees, all right? 71. And then that's it, guys. Because when I do the work, you do the work. Just like that. When I do the work, you do the work. Just like that. Just like that. Here we go. Just like that. So there you go. Alright? Yeah. Man. Oh, wait. Alright, here we go. So just check it. Got it? Are we good? All right, let me stop the recording. Let me take attendance. And we're